Good day everyone, I am Mian E. Gonzaga. I will be the first reporter in our group in PA, where the topic is equipments and facilities of volleyball. So I start with the equipments. First is ball. Volleyball, a spherical ball of 65 to 67 centimeter circumference. It is made of leather or any synthetic material and weighs 260 to 80 grams. Volleyballs are available in various colors, however, for international tournaments. FIB, which is Federation International Volleyball, approved balls should only be used. The second one is net. Net is 1 meter long and 9.5 to 10 meter wide. It is tied vertically above the center line of the court. Two posts fixed at either sides of the court. At a distance of 1 meter from the sidelines, the center of the net should lie to 2.43 meter above the ground for men and 2.24 meter for a woman. At these sides, the net may be higher by a maximum of 2 centimeters. However, it should be tied at the same height at both the posts. The court width is marked on the net with a tape and a flexible antenna, although 1 meter extends from the tape marker on both sides of the net. These markings help the referee determine when the ball goes outside the court.
Good day everyone. My name is TV Marie Oladroma. I am BSHM. And topic for today is falls and scoreboard. Falls. Volleyball falls should be set as 36 feet apart. 3 feet figure out from the sideline. Scoreboard. A scoreboard is a large board for publicly displaying the score in a game. Most levels of sport, from score and above, use at least one scoreboard for keeping score, measuring time, and displaying statistics. Scoreboard in the past used a mechanic clock and memorial cards to display score.
Equipment for the players. Knee pads. Volleyball knee pads prevent injuries. However, a person should choose pads according to age and experience. For instance, younger athletes should use thicker pads since these players have less experience diving for the ball. Older athletes with more knowledge may choose thinner knee pads. They work well to prevent bruising and burns. All knee pads must fit comfortably around the leg area. Ankle braces. The most common injury associated with a volleyball player is a sprained ankle. To avoid the problem, it is wise to invest in a good pair of ankle braces, since braces have proven to lower injuries by 40%. Certain volleyball team coaches mandate them. They provide stability to the area without compromising activity. Lace up braces guard the sides, front and back of the ankles. They are especially important when setting the ball at the time of frequent under-the-net contact. Proper footwear. Men's and women's volleyball shoes are essential gear for the game. These shoes contain a gum rubber seal to provide maximum traction. These shoes are designed to protect the foot during the side-to-side movement. The front padding of the shoes is thick, so the legs do not suffer pain from continuous jumping. A smart shoes will be made of leather and contain a low heel. This provides top support and helps to prevent sprints as well.
Hello everyone, my name is Sarah Sokino. My report for today is facilities. Facilities court. The first facility is required to play volleyball 60 by 30 feet or 18 meters by 9 meters length of the enter and play area of the court. Each side of the court is therefore 30 feet by 30 feet in size. 60 feet ang kataason, then 30 feet ang kalaparon. And then sa 18 meters po, maupod siya 18 ang katason, sa length kumbaga niya sa court, tapos 9 meters po ang iyahang kalaparon. Mano siyang every court, every kuan sa inyong kalaban at bangan kumbaga sa net, mano siya ang 30 feet by 30 feet ang size niya. Dili pwede mo lapas kay size by size man siya. Playing area. The playing area includes the playing court and the prison shall be rectangular and symmetrical. Muna siya ang sa playing court po siya about a prison. Muna siya kumbaga kung nagdula gani mo, in case pag nagdula na mo, para na nagplay na. Tapos tamo ni mo nga kanang dilis na suyod sa court, ayaw na siya hilabte or else ayaw na kaluwak sa line. Kay posibilidad na score mo dyan sa kalaban. Ayaw siya i-touch. If ever makita ni mo nga ladyo pa lamang or pag lupad pa sa bula, makita na ni mo siya na kani siguraduhin ni mo kung mo suyod ba siya o suyod pa gadyo siya sa imong pananaw or dili. Ayaw na siya kuha akong dili gadyo siya sulod sa net. Kay automatically score man sa kalaban kay na-touch man nimo ang bola. 1.1 dimension. The playing court is a rectangular measurement 18 by 19 meters surrounded by a free zone which is minimum of 30 meters wide on all sides. Mo ni siya ang 18 katason gihapon, ang 9 kalaparon, din ang iyahang wide kumbaga minimum ba siya sa 3 meters. All size sa siya 3 meters. All side ay sa 3 meters sa minimum of wide. The pre-player space is the space above the playing area, which is free from any obstruction. The playing space shall measure a minimum of 7 meters in height from the playing surface. For FIV World an official competition, the free zone shall measure a minimum of 5 meters from the sidelines and 6.5 meters the end lines. The pre-playing space shall measure a minimum of 12.5 meters in height from the playing surface. Kani pud siya na kuan pud siya ang prison shall measure a minimum. Giminimize ra pud niya ang iyahang para sa tay ang 5 meters from the sideline kumbaga sa kilid line niya na siya. Then 6.5 meters the end line sa kana bitong center. Tapos end lines sa ikaduha bitaw nga kuan mo na siya. And the free playing space shall measure a minimum 12 meters high from the playing surface. Mao po ni siya ang high sa iyahang kuan kaning 12.5 meters playing surface. Thank you.
1.2 Playing surface. 1.2.1 The surface must be flat, horizontal, and uniform. It must not present any danger of injury to the players. It is forbidden to play on raw or slippery surfaces. For FIVB, world and official competitions, only a wooden or synthetic surface is allowed. Any surface must be previously approved by the FIVB. 1.2.2 On indoor courts, the surface of the playing court must be a light color. For FIVB, Word and official competitions, white colors are required for the lines. Other colors, different from each other, are required for the playing court and the free zone. 1.2.3 on outdoor courts. Slope of 5 mm per meter is allowed for drainage. And court lines made of solid materials are forbidden.
1.3 Lines on the court. 1.3.1 All lines are 5 cm wide. They must be of light color, which is different from the floor and from any other lines. 1.3.2 Boundary line. 2 side line and 2 end lines mark the playing court. Both sidelines and end lines are drawn inside the dimension of the playing court. 1.3.3 Center line. The axis of the center line divides the playing court into 2 equal courts, measuring by 9 by 9 meter each. However, the entire width of the line is considered to belong to both. 1.3.4 Attack line. On each court, an attack line whose rear edge is drawn 3 meters back from the axis of the center line mark the front zone. From FIVB World of Official Competitions, the attack line is extended by the addition of broken lines from the sidelines with 15 centimeters short line, 5 centimeter wide, drawn 20 centimeter from each other to a total length of 1.75 meter. The coach restriction line. A broken line which extends from the attack line to the end line from the court, parallel to the sideline and 1.75 meter from it is composed of 15 cm short line drawn 20 cm apart to mark the limit of coach area of operation.
Good day everyone, my name is Frederick Pagulagayan, and today we will gonna tackle the zone and areas of volleyball. First in the zone is the front zone. On each court of the front zone is limited by the axis of the center line and the rear edge of the attack line. The front zone is considered to extend beyond the sidelines to the end of the free zone. Service zone. The service zone is a 9-meter wide area behind each line. It is laterally limited by 2 short lines, each is 15 cm long, drawn 20 cm behind the end line as an extension of the sidelines. Both short lines are included in the width of the service zone. Indeed, the service zone extends to the end of the free zone. Substitution zone. The substitution zone is limited by the extension of both attack lines up to the scorer's table. Libero replacement zone. The libero replacement zone is part of the free zone on the side of the team benches, limited by the extension of the attack line up to the end line. Warm-up area. For FIVV, world and official competitions, the warm-up areas size approximately 3 by 3 meters and located in both of the bench side corners outside the free zone. Penalty area. A penalty area size approximately 1 by 1 meter and equipped with 2 chairs is located in the control area outside the prolongation of each end line. They may be limited by 5 cm wide red line.
1.5 temperature. The minimum temperature shall not be below 10 degrees centimeter of 50 degree feet. For FIVV, which is feet, world and official competitors, the maximum temperature shall not be the higher than 25 degrees centimeter, 77 degree feet, and the maximum not lower than the 16 degrees centimeter, 61 degree feet. 1.6 lighting. For FIVV, world and official competitors, the lighting on the playing area should be 1,000 to 1,500 centimeter measured at 1 meter above the surface of the playing area.